All right, guys. So Friday we did volume of cylinders, and today we're going to do volume of cones. Very easy. Again, you need your calculator. The formula is a little bit different because cones, are kind of like this. So this one is going to be 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. So we're basically doing what we did do, but now we're multiplying it by a third, or you could look at it as doing like what we did Friday and then dividing it by 3 or multiplying by 3. Whatever is easiest for you. I personally like to divide by 3, but I'm going to go off of what your formula chart's going to say, which is going to be 1/3 times area of the base times height. Okay, I think that would be a little bit easier. All right, guys, so let's get ready. We're going to do about 3 examples and then be done. It's going to be another easy 100. And remember, it's probably a really good idea if you try to do these on your own. You'll see that I have the formula. I'll have it written up here. So just plug in the numbers on your own. See if you're getting the correct answer. If you're not, we need to be doing some things to help you understand this. All right, guys. So I think you're going to be really excited. It's going to be super easy. All right, guys. So what I would really like from you is for you to use this formula I have here and then plug in these numbers and see if you get it right. And this is the time where you practice and see if you understand or see if you're getting it right. And if you're not, then we do things to help you. It's not a big deal if you get it wrong right now. I haven't even done one with you. So why don't you just try to pause the video using this formula. Volume equals 1/3 times pi r squared times the height, okay? All right, so I'm just going to rewrite it when I'm going to plug in the numbers. We know that the cone is going to be 1/3. We know it's going to be pi. My radius, they gave me the radius 2 squared, which we know is 4. So if you just want to replace 2 squared with 4 is fine. And the height right here is 5 inches. This should be super easy because I'm just plugging in the numbers that I have. All right, so I have 1/3 times second arrow, 2 squared, and 5. And I got 20.9. They also wanted us to go to the nearest decimal place. 20.9. If we were to round that up, we would round that to 21. Super close to 21. So hopefully you got that right. We're going to do 2 more, so get ready. All right, back with another cone. It looks a lot like the last one. They did give me the radius. They didn't give me the diameter. Praise Jesus. It's going to be a lot easier. All right, so what I want you to do, pause, see if you can work this out, okay? See if you can get it right. Plug in your numbers, see what you get. All right, let's get back. So I'm going to plug in what I know. I already know it's volume equals 1/3 times pi. And my radius is 20. That's a big radius, isn't it? 20 squared. And the height is 24. Okay. Again, I'm just plugging this in my calculator. Okay. Plugging it in. All right. 1/3. And I do put the 1/3 in parentheses. 1 divided by 3, close parentheses. Just makes it easier. Second pi arrow. Sorry, I had a little brain fart right there. 20 squared and 24. And I got 10,000. 10,053 and 1/10. That's a big volume. All right, guys. All right, one more example. Try it on your own. See if you can get it right. All right, guys, last chance. I really want you to try this one on your own. So pause the video, try it on your own. Let's see if you get it right. All right, first off, I'm going to look at this. I've got my height right here is 20, but then I see that they gave me the diameter, not the radius. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that in half, which is 10 inches, okay? Half of 20 is 10. Remember, the radius is half of the diameter. All right, so I'm going to write my volume formula, 1/3 times pi times the radius, which is 10 squared, which is 100, and then times 20. And my next step is to just plug this in the calculator. So I'm going to do open parentheses, 1 divided by 3, close parentheses, second pi times 10x squared, 10 squared, and then the height 20. And I got 2,094 and 4/10. Hopefully you got that. If you didn't, it's okay. Let's work on it. You need to ask questions before you begin your quizzes assignment. That way I can help you before you start it. Because the purpose of the assignments is to see, what did you learn? Do you understand this? Okay, it's not, can Ms. Mitchell walk you through each question? Okay, all right, guys, good luck. I think you'll all make hundreds.